Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this 1 litre automatic MG ZS exclusive, finished in the metallic stunning spiced orange with a great low mileage of just 5,267. At the top of the range model being the exclusive, it comes with plenty of features including the leather interior with the white stitching. You've also got the coloured touchscreen there, which comes with plenty of connectivity, including navigation, Bluetooth connectivity and Apple CarPlay, the multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, and plenty more. Just coming round to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice this car benefits from the reversing parking sensors and a reversing camera. This car offers 5 years warranty and 12 months AA roadside assistance. If you would like any more information on this particular vehicle or would like to book a test drive, please feel free to get in contact. All our details are below and on our website, or you can call us on 01323 898818.